I just want to meet him! What's wrong with that? Oh no, the pillow's ruined! They can't find out about this. Gotta hide this for now.
Our sweet little fire. Don't be sad. Baby Wade is still small. That's why we're overprotective. Oh, it's hot! I'm boiling!
A fiery gift to cheer little Ember up. But now, Baby Wade is up. But we're having a moment here. Look at them. They spend so much time with him. Mom, Dad.
Be quiet!
I guess there's no place for me here anymore. I'm gonna pack up my clothes. They won't even notice. Gotta break my piggy bank too. Good. It's not totally empty. These savings should be enough. And what else do I need? Yes, the perfect outfit for this kind of day.
A day to look for new parents?
But why? I need to find new parents who will take care of me. This is it. I'm leaving.
It just needs to be the right temperature, you see? Here you go.
All they care about is Wadey. I totally have no place in this family anymore. They used to love me. But all that love is all for Wadey now. Goodbye, dearest family.
What was that? Oh no! Honey, look! These are little Ember's tears!
Where is she? Ember? Sweetie? She's not here! Have you found her?
Oh, I'm gonna look over there.
Her piggy bank is broken!
Ember, are you there? Her clothes are gone! Was she kidnapped or what? Ah! What do you think happened?
She's gone!
Ah! Come, let's find her.
I gotta get the keys.
Our precious family photo is on the floor, and it's broken. We've gotta find Ember. Let's go.
Huh? Baby Wade is up again. You guys can't both leave. One of you must stay at home.
The one who wins will find Ember, okay? I won. I'm gonna bring our daughter back.
Oh, I can't kiss you good luck. Find her, please.
Don't worry, I will.
Oh, you peed again. This is it. My journey starts now. Anybody want to be my new parent? Hi, ma'am. Would you like to be my new parent?
Huh? No way!
Please, ma'am. I'm a good kid.
No!
Looking for new parents isn't that easy. Oh no, it's gonna rain. Poor Ember. Now she needs shelter. Fire and water don't really go well together. Oh no, Barbie is out there. I should save her. Ouch, it hurts. Now I feel more alone than ever. Meanwhile, Earthman and Airwoman are strolling along until they see our poor little Ember in the corner.
Can you do something?
I got it. Wow, Airwoman blew away the rain.
Let's talk to her. Hey, are you all right? Looking for new parents? Well, there's something wrong with this doll. Can you fix it?
It just needs a little air. There, she's dry now. Thank you. Come with us.
We can be your new parents. And this sign? You won't be needing that anymore. Oh, is that your suitcase? Here, I'll carry it and let your new mom walk you through. Oh, her things fell out. I just have to pick all these up. Part of parenting, isn't it?
Wait, you left something.
Ember! Where are you? Oh, fire! This must be little Ember. I found you at last!
Gee, thanks.
Huh? You're not my little Ember? Ah!
You can adopt me, you know.
Ah, no! Where can I find my Ember now? I guess it's time to use the missing posters I've printed. You must have felt neglected, but we love you so much.
Daddy Wade's tears are getting the poster soaked.
I ruined it. I need to use protective gloves. I have to be strong for Ember. Now these will keep the posters dry. Let's stick one up here. Have you seen little Ember?
Daddy Wade is posting the missing posters all over town. Good luck! Welcome to your new home. Can I smell the flowers? Oh no, little Ember burnt the rose. I'm so sorry.
Don't worry, it's fine. Let's go in. It's totally fine. What's that smell? It's coming from this suitcase. Disgusting. Nobody saw that, right?
Wow. Now give me your coat and make yourself comfy, okay? Thank you.
That girl stinks, right?
Let's throw her jacket away too. Can't wait to be a parent. I love your house. Wow.
Give me your doll. This is your first lesson in discipline as our daughter. No dolls here.
You can't do that. Oh, yes we can. But you can't summon fire in this house. Oh no, the frozen cups weakened Ember's powers.
You have chores to do in this house. Here's a list. Take a look.
Do you like these new parents, little Ember?
Where are you, Ember?
He's crying fountains. This needs a lot of cleaning up. Maybe he can help me with that using this shirt. Here, mister, take this and wipe your tears.
Huh? This looks familiar. This is Ember's dress. Hey, where did you get this?
I don't know, but look, there's more clothes over there.
This is definitely hers. Yes!
What a disgusting toilet. Ew, yuck. And Ember's cleaning it up? Oh. My real parents don't even make me clean the toilet. Looking back, my parents and I had fun together. They made sure I was always happy.
Hey, go ahead, do it. Pop that core memory, quick.
Not little Ember's special memories. What? Oh no! I can't even ignite a fire! Ember is realizing that finding new parents isn't really such a good idea after all.
Scrub that toilet!
I miss my family now!
Oh, this is Ember's blouse, I'm sure. Whoa, that's Ember's suitcase. She must be in that house. I gotta find out, quick! Hello? Ember, are you there? Open up, please! Let me see! Ember! Oh, I guess nobody's home. Wait, is someone crying? Oh, where is it coming from? Huh? Is it coming from the suitcase? Not here. It's coming from this manhole. Huh? Ember? Stop! Daddy's here to save you!
Wow! Daddy Wade morphed into water and dived into the manhole! What's going on?
Ember! I found you!
Yay! You're here, Daddy!
I can hug you now?
My firepower is gone because of these handcuffs.
No! This is not good! Oh, let's do something about this. Here, drink this.
Don't try this at home, kids.
How do you feel? Better now? Intruder! Get out of our house! Nobody does this to my daughter! Take that! And you're next!
Daddy Wade stepped on a sponge. We know what sponges do, right?
Oops.
Sponges absorb water.
Come fight me now, little spark!
Yes, I will. Looks like Ember's firepower is slowly coming back. That's a big fireball. Take that! Burn!
My head is on fire! Hot, 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 hot! I'm out of here!
Daddy Wade! I'm gonna save you. Ow! Ow! And Daddy Wade is back! Dad!
Ouch! It burns dog again.
But a little cuddle won't hurt.
Thank you for bringing our daughter back.
Now our family is complete.
Come, see him!
That's the story of when Ember and Wade from Elemental have children.